and simplify algebraic expressions. So they're starting us off really easy in this section with just evaluating the power. So quite literally the first question is, what is 2 cubed?
2 times 2 times 2.
Which is?
8.
Yep.
I didn't want to do that.
It's okay. Number 8, -5 squared.
-25.
Yep. So, usually, man, I didn't get the class this morning. I didn't get y'all, but I'm glad. So, normally, when I do this, people are like, 25. And they think that the negative also is getting squared. The difference would be if instead I had -5 in parentheses squared, that would be +25. Okay, so that's the difference. Make sure we watch is the negative in the parentheses or not in the parentheses for that. And obviously even exponent, odd exponent makes a difference as well. We'll see that in a second. So number 10, -8 cubed.
Isn't it
This is a
516? No.
A little less.
14.
A little more. Nope, less. Sorry. Yes, 12.
It's okay.
Oh, I didn't register what you said. I had to go back. I was like, wait a second. What did he just say? And this would be negative as well. Now, what if instead it was -8 in parentheses cubed?
It would be positive.
Still negative because it's an odd exponent. Negative times negative times negative would still be negative. So this would still be -512. So again, just make sure we're watching if it's in parentheses or not, and then what the exponent is, even or odd, for if it'll stay positive, or if it'll stay negative or become positive. 12, -3 squared.
This one's going to be +9.
Yep, +9. And
You should do more like this all week.
I mean, it's pretty chill. it's not anything crazy all year. I really don't. Chapter 4, people usually don't like, but
What's it about?
parabolas, graphing. 14, -2 to the 8th. Make y'all think a little bit. Don't use your calculator. Put that thing away.
You said it was allowed yesterday.
No, put that thing away. That was allowed for those conversion problems, and that was it.
Oh, okay.
We don't use a calculator to multiply. See the wheels turning. All right, first and foremost, is it going to be positive or negative?
It's going to be positive.
It's going to be positive.
512.
You went too far.
There's 1, 2, 3. I counted 8. Is it 256?
Yeah.
What?
You went one too far.
Oh, because I didn't count 2.
That's what I was figuring happened, because that's what when I usually if I hold it up and I'm like, all right, 2 times 2, I have to be like this, because otherwise people they miss the first time that it gets multiplied. All right, seems like we're good on that. Next thing, Evaluate the expression for the given value of the variable. So they're going to give us something like 18. We've got 6h divided by 2 plus h. And they tell us that h is equal to 4. So I'm going to plug in 4 everywhere I see an h. So I've got 6 times 4 divided by 2 plus 4. And now I just need to use order of operations to simplify this. So 6 times 4, 24 divided by 2,
12,
plus 4.
16.
Now, if you can do a lot of that in one step, I'm totally fine with that. I feel like in Algebra 2, you are probably capable of doing mental math. Okay? So I was a little bit more picky with my Algebra 1 doing the similar stuff with them writing out a couple more steps. But if y'all can get, like, once you write in the 4 here, if you can work your way across, I don't care. If you need to write out the steps, that's also totally fine. Okay. 22. N cubed minus 4n plus 10 when n equals negative 3. So plug in first. Anytime I'm plugging in, especially a negative number, I do it a lot just with anything I'm plugging in, but negatives I will always do it. I'm going to put them in parentheses. So negative 3 cubed minus 4 times negative 3 plus 10. What's negative 3 cubed?
Negative 27.
Negative 27. Negative 4 times negative 3.
Positive 12.
Positive 12. And then we've got plus 10. So when I simplify that, what do I get?
22. Well, 27. Negative 27 plus 22, and then that'll be negative 5.
Yep. Negative 5. Jump down a little bit. Simplifying the expression. So this is just combining like terms and simplifying it as much as possible. Some things can be simplified more than others. 26, I've got y squared plus 2y plus 3y squared.
4y squared plus 2y. That's it.
Yep. 4y squared plus 2y. Uh, 30. 10 times n squared plus n minus 6 times n squared minus 2. So the first thing I need to do is distribute with this one. So that's going to give me 10n squared plus 10n. And then I'm going to distribute the negative 6. So minus 6n squared plus 12. And then now I can simplify. Get 4n squared plus 10n plus 12. Questions on those? All right, jumping down a little bit. Evaluate the expression, which is basically what we were doing like 2 minutes ago, but now they're giving us multiple variables to plug in. So 40, I've got, I lost it, 3x squared, so it's the whole 3x thing is squared, minus y cubed, x is 4, y is 5. So we're going to plug those in. So I've got, in parentheses, 3 times 4 squared minus 5 cubed. So we do this up in the parentheses first. So 3 times 4 is 12. Squared is 144. And then minus 5 cubed.
125.
Yep, 125. And that gives us
19. Yeah.
there's a hair. 19. (42) x plus 2y over 4x minus y when x is -3 and y is 4. So same thing, plug in first. -3 plus 2 times 4 over 4 times -3 minus 4. So what do I end up with on top?
Positive 5.
Yep, -3 plus 8 would be a positive 5. And what about on the bottom?
-16. Okay.
Yep. And obviously when you have a fraction, if you can reduce, you should always reduce. This one can't, but just saying it now so that we don't forget. All right, simplify the expression. So again, basically same thing we were doing a little bit earlier, just with 2 variables. I don't know why the book doesn't just lump it all together, but I guess I won't complain too much. They're pretty easy. 46. P cubed plus 3q squared minus q plus 3p cubed.
4p cubed plus 3q squared minus q.
Yep.
There was literally one like term.
I know. That's the thing about these. I'm like, they could do so much more, but I guess they just have to like ease you in gently.
I'm okay with that.
All right, last one, unless we have questions. 50, 3 times x squared minus y plus 9 times x squared plus 2y. What do I have to do first?
Distributive property.
So I get 3
X cubed,
squared.
Negative 3y. And then other side. Positive 9x squared plus 18y.
Yep.
And then you put like terms together. 12x squared minus 3y plus 18, so that's positive 15y.
Yep. Perfect. Questions?
That it?
I mean, other than homework, yeah. Calm down. All right. Well, you have 35 minutes.
We could also do notes for tomorrow.
So you should have plenty of time to do this and the notes for tomorrow as well. So we're gonna go
5 problems.
5 through 25, every other odd. So that's 5, skip 7, 9, skip 11, 13, and then, and so on and so forth. And then, actually, let's make that 29, and then we'll just, and then add on 37 and 49. Man down. But that's not that many problems in reality. So you should have plenty of time to finish that. If you don't, it's not due until Friday. With the notes videos, when you're done, or maybe actually first, make sure that you can log into Google Classroom, because if not, you won't be able to do the notes and stuff. So, but when you're done, you can work on the notes video for tomorrow. I will not check them tomorrow, but if you have time to do them before tomorrow, that would be beneficial. Not that it's anything crazy, but just in general, if you have time. I think there should be plenty of time to do all of this, everybody. So.